All right, so now that we made it past step one, which is picking your favorite style, step two is where you're actually going to go in and customize your website. So in this video, this is going to be a very brief kind of walkthrough showing you the most important steps you need to cover in order to get your website up and running. And then we also have a free course that goes along with the website that you can kind of follow along step by step to really make your website super custom. So you have the choice. I mean, this website is pretty much done, ready to go, ready to publish. All you need to do is add your business information. But you might want to take it 10 steps further and change the colors. You may want to swap out all of your images. You may want to add pages or remove pages. You may want to add in custom code from different tools and software. You have full reign, full control. It's very easy to use, and I'm going to guide you through this process. So the very first thing you're going to do now that you're on this page, you're just going to want to go check your email inbox, and you should get an email from Marketing Contractor that says welcome to Marketing Contractor. This says hello Nevin because that's the name I used, but it would have your name. The email that you use to log in is right here. And then you're going to just go ahead and click this link right here to get started. Now, check your email. If it's not in your main inbox, check your spam inbox. It should be somewhere in there. And then you're just going to go ahead and click here. Now, I already created a password and login information, but if you have your email on file, whatever email you use to sign up, that's going to be your login email, and then you're going to have to enter a password twice to confirm it. Enter it once, enter again, and then you're good to go. With that information, you can go ahead and log in. And then once you do that, this is kind of your central hub for the website. So we have two separate dashboards. One dashboard is for the website, which is what you're seeing right here. The other one is going to contain the course and any step-by-step guides. If you need any help, that's where you can access that. So two extremely important things that you need to use inside of the dashboard is the statistics and the site editor. So I'm going to show you the statistics first. This is a brand new site, not even live, so there's no actual statistics here. But as you can see here, whenever you start getting traffic to your site, you can see how many visitors you get and what kind of engagement they have with your website. But when you're ready, go ahead and click edit. And again, this is the most important, crucial step I want to cover with you here today. So the most important step with your website is getting your business information added. That's the whole purpose of a website, is getting your business information out there so that customers can call you or fill out a form and it emails you and those sorts of things. So it's super important right here that you cover this. First thing you're going to want to do is click content and then click business info. Now you can see here, the very first thing is your local business schema. You're going to do this at the end after you've published your site. After you go through and enter your business information, you want to turn this on because this is huge for your local SEO. This platform is designed mainly for small businesses trying to rank locally with SEO. And so it has all these tools built into it. You know, unlike a tool like WordPress where you still have access to those tools, but you have to go out and actually get those plugins and you have to plug in a bunch of stuff. This is all built in for a specific type of user. So first thing you're going to do is enter your business name, and right now it says Eco Clean, but let's just say Big Wash or something like that. We got Harris, Texas. Let's just change it to Dallas. Right? And then you're going to just want to enter your phone number and email in here as well. Go through and enter your social links: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I would definitely recommend Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn, as well as Yelp. Instagram is not bad to have, and then Twitter, you don't really need Twitter. And a lot of these other ones you really don't need either for the type of work that we are in. Good idea to add your business hours and your price range for the schema. That's going to help you with your local SEO again. And then one other thing you really want to do is come in here and just change the city to Dallas. And then you can also come to your business images, and this is just a background image, so you can leave this or change the background just to kind of give the website a little bit of character, kind of. But it's really nice because you can also edit the alt text, which again is really useful for SEO. And in that course, the step-by-step course that comes along with it, it's going to cover basically everything that I know about SEO, including everything down to like the minute details like the alt text of an additional image, right? So now we've got pressure washing driveway in that alt text. So we come out of that, and you can see here it automatically updates whatever stuff you enter in that business information. It's going to auto populate on the website. So what this does is, instead of having to spend hours going through your website changing every little detail, you enter it in the content section and you're good. The site is, at this point, if you like the styling, you're good to go. Now, the tricky thing is you may not like the styling. You may like the way it looks overall, but you want to change the layout. You don't like the colors. You don't like the design. Okay, well, again, if you don't like this orange here, let's just change it to green, right? Maybe that fits your color scheme a little bit better. Maybe you don't like this image of me back here, which you probably want an image of yourself or your own company or whatever. Then just throw your own image in, right? It's as simple as that. Maybe you don't like the color of this orange right here. So you just come in, edit design. And this is a brief overview. I'm going to go deeper in depth, in the trainings and whatnot. But that's all there is to it. Now, you can also click this design tab up here on the left and click global buttons. And if you're going to edit your buttons, you want your buttons and your titles and your paragraphs across the site, every single page, to be uniform. This is an extreme rookie mistake that a lot of beginners make or DIYers make that they don't understand from a design perspective, is that you need to have a uniform design. You should not have buttons that look completely different across the site. Your buttons should all look the same. You can have a little bit of variation in different settings, but you don't want to have like multiple different kinds of buttons. Same with your font. You want to have a font that's like uniform across the site. So with that being said, just sort of pick a color here, and you can also change some other things like the shadow. Right now it's sort of an orangish color, but you can make that sort of a green color as well. And then, just like that, now the button is green. So you see that it turned that button green, but it's also going to turn this button green, and any other buttons. When you hover over, that one's still orange, but you can see that button's green. You hover, it turns orange. So yeah, that's just a brief demo. And then whenever you are ready, you're going to want to go ahead and click publish up in the top. Do not click publish until you are ready to take it live, because that is when you pay the $50 per month. Again, you can edit the website for free for as long as you want, as much as you want. But when you are ready to publish and you're ready to put it online and tell Google, hey, I'm ready, start sending traffic, hit that button. It's $50 a month. And at that point, once you get started, then your website will be live. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain name, because that's only going to be useful once you're ready to publish. So hopefully this video helps you get started, and you can kind of play around with it. If you need some more information, go check out the course and the other login. And then, yeah, I'll see you there. Thanks. Have a great day.